Hey there YouTube, today I'm doing a video review on this Kobalt internal wrench kit. It's item number 2146951. Well, it's got good grip. It's probably not for high torque applications, so this brass fitting has been in here for probably 20 years and it's been corroded and everything. And I did have a breaker bar on it, so I'm not going to fault the Kobalt tool. This did not slip. These teeth bit in and they did not slip. The shaft broke, so I think this will work for any plumber or DIYer trying to get a normal pipe doped pipe out, because it won't be so corroded. But I am going to go test the warranty and see how no hassle it is. Alright, so I went into Lowe's, told them I tried to use the breaker bar to remove a piece of broken pipe, and they didn't really care, and they gave me a new set, no questions asked. So I'm going to keep these in my toolbox. I'm really impressed with these. I don't know if it showed in the camera, but I was really torquing on that fitting, and if it wasn't seized from like 20 years of sitting outside, I think it would have worked. So I'm keeping this set on hand. They have Kobalt etched right in them. If they break in the future, I don't think they'll give me any hassle with a warranty exchange, since this is a Lowe's only brand. But yeah, thanks for watching.